Shure has released a couple new microphones for creators. As an audio engineer, sometimes it's really annoying doing audio for video. So I'm gonna try out this new product from Shure. It's called Move Mic 2. It's essentially 2 wireless lavs and a receiver for 2 channels of audio. And I'm gonna go through the quick setup. We're gonna see how quick this is and how easy this is. And if I can figure it out, then you can probably figure it out too. Got a little pouch here, a little go pouch, which is nice for all your stuff. So we're gonna have 2 lavs and then 2 receivers. What's cool is you can use this with a mount for your DSLR camera if you use a DSLR camera. And then this is the case for the lavs. This is cool. So you could probably just, I bet it's a charging case. You pop them in there. Oh, that was nice. Did you hear that? Yeah, okay. So a little charger case, USB-C here. This is how simple it is to clip. Literally just clip it right here. The microphone is on the front, 2 little holes. So I'll clip it like that. Actually, that's surprisingly easier than the ones I'm using now. And then from what I understand, you can use the app to control your polar pattern and the microphone gain settings that you're using. I think you can also control that stuff right here from the Move Mic receiver. All right, what else is in here? We've got our cables, extra USB-C cables for charging. I love a little bit of B-roll of me struggling. What are these? These are like little pop filters. Oh, that's kind of cool. So these are like pop filters that literally just snap on to the top. Gosh, this is so much easier. Because the other ones are wireless, but it's actually a cable that goes to a pack, and the pack's wireless. You know, so this is like true wireless. This is obviously going to be the audio cable. So we've got just a little 3.5 millimeter cable here, which can connect from your receiver to your camera. I'll get the app too and see what the situation is with the app. Cool. All right, we'll see how it goes.
So it's a few days later. I have tried these lavs on a handful of different videos. Currently, I have it set up to go directly into my camera. So this is just, I'm holding this like a little tiny little microphone. The next thing I want to test, now that I'm able to, because today is actually the day that it gets released, I have the Shure Motive Audio amplification on my phone. Amplification? I like that. I have the app downloaded, and when you open it right up, you are on the device tab. I'm going to do a screen recording here so you can see on my phone. I've got the device tab here. You can see we've got 4 tabs. Record, obviously when you're recording. You can see your settings, your library of recordings. You can choose your record settings, wave, FLAC, Apple lossless, AAC, and then you have 2448. You can switch between 44.1, 1648, 1644.1. We're just going to leave it at 2448, of course. And this will be an interesting test too. I just heard my air conditioning unit turn on, which is quite loud and obnoxious. We'll see how that translates with this. So now I'm going to add this device. It's not currently connected to my phone. I think it's kind of interesting to be able to record directly to the phone, and I'm curious just about the ease of settings and stuff like that. So we're going to hit new mic, tap on a device to connect. Okay, now this is connected. Update available, connect charge case and insert Move mics. We're going to skip that. Check 1, 2. Okay, so now my lav is currently connected to the camera, but this is a second lav. I'm going to kind of just hold it near my face and we can go through the settings here. Turn up our gain, mic gain here. You can see when you're getting too loud. All right, so I think I have this set currently around 17 dB on mine, so I'm going to keep it in a similar spot. We've got the LEDs turned on. The LEDs are indications of whether your lav is muted. So when it's muted, it turns red. When you power it on, the blue LED flashes. You can lock your settings. Presets. Okay, so this is speech mode. That's right, that's the first one. Noise reduction is turned off and the compressor is on. So you can see all of your settings here on your app. High pass filter is all the way up to 150. I probably would not do that. I would turn noise reduction on. I just turned it on. And yeah, so you can basically just flip through all your settings here. And then of course at the bottom you got your EQ curve. And then you can identify this lav. So that's gonna make your LEDs flash. And then once you have your settings, you can actually save the preset on here. And it'll just have a quick little setting for you. And then if I want to record, I guess I should have been recording this. I can hit record right here, and then you can hear me coming in on this lav going to the app. Let's see here. I think, look, there's a little lock setting. So it's unlocked. I think that means that I can actually adjust the settings live while I'm, live while I'm recording. And then you can hit lock settings so that you can't change it. All right, now go back to record. We're still rolling. And once we're done with the recording, we can hit, I guess, let's hit pause. Oh, and then you hit save. Save up at the top. Save. We'll call this app recording test. Boom. And I misspelled recording. Now it's in my library. You can see it in here. All right, now let's see how easy it is to take this file and send it. We would like to select, and then we would do share, save to camera roll, email, more. Let's see if there's an airdrop. Yeah, and then let's airdrop it to the computer here. That's how you use the Shure Motive app. I think these are pretty useful, pretty helpful. I love the simplicity of them. I love the form factor. Charging case is cool, little magnetic, so you can pop this open. When you go to stick this in here, it just grabs it. As I said before, I have been using these in my videos, and I'm going to continue to use them because they make my life easier. And the connectivity to the phone is also very, very useful. I use my phone actually as a remote Zoom camera when I do consultations on my website. I use it for a lot of different things. So having this to be able to connect both to the phone and for my videos is going to be tremendously valuable for me. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments. Check the links for this. This video is sponsored by Sweetwater. So I'll have a Sweetwater affiliate link to this product down in the description. Make sure you check that out. And also check out andrewmastersmusic.com down in the description. And you can book me for consultations, recording sessions, drum samples, courses, the whole thing. See you in the next one.